Today, I'm going to show you how I turn this mess outside my closet into this modern shoe storage with personalized options. I had this sheet of 1/2-inch plywood cut into two 14-inch strips and one 20-inch strip at my local Home Depot. On the first 14-inch strip, I measured out 4 feet. These two pieces will be the bottom and middle tier shelves. Then on the other 14-inch strip, I measured 5 separate 8-inch pieces for the lateral walls. I also measured out a 2-foot, 2-inch piece for the top tier shelf. Using glue painter's tape will help mitigate the wood from splitting when you cut it, so I placed one strip on every one of my cut lines. At first I used a straight edge clamp to the board to help guide my saw, but it became too much of a hassle, so I proceeded with that one. I put a list of all the tools and materials I used for this project down below in the description. Now that I have all the pieces cut out, I'm ready to begin assembly. You may have noticed I installed the finished blade on my skill saw the wrong way. I did this when I was switching from the framing blade to the finished blade. My lateral 8-inch pieces needed a quick touch up before I proceeded. I know, rookie move. I used a 1/8 inch drill bit to pre-drill all the holes to help avoid splitting the wood. I also used a number 6 countersink bit on the top sides of the exposed shelves. I applied a thin bead of glue to every lateral piece before screwing together, just to add some more strength. I used 3 screws on each end to create the butt joints. I needed to use pocket holes for the lateral piece on the second tier, as there was no other way to screw up from the bottom into it. 2 pocket holes worked fine. I made sure to offset them from the screws of the bottom tier joint. I was able to screw up from the bottom for the middle lateral piece on the second tier. After the lateral pieces were secure, I laid the top piece down and screwed it in from the top. It's always good to have your speed square handy to make sure all your joints are square. I wiped away all the excess glue from the squeeze out with a dry rag. After the glue had dried, I sanded the shoe storage with an 80 grit sanding block once over. Then I took multiple passes with 120 grit paper on my Orbital sander. For the finish, I chose to go with clear matte, water-based interior polyurethane from Varathane. It has a quick dry time, so you can apply multiple coats in a single day. It offers good scratch resistance and overall good durability. I'm putting my shoes on these shelves, so it needs an extra layer of protection from the dirt and debris. I applied 3 coats. I brought the shoe storage up to my room to start adding on my personalized options. I used black pipe paired with flanges and 90-degree elbows to create a small clothes rack to hang some shirts. I had this full-length mirror that I was initially going to hang on the wall, but the angled lean meant no extra holes. The personalization possibilities here are really endless. Let me know what you think. If you guys enjoyed following me along on my build, leave a like, and if you want to see more custom projects coming up soon, be sure to subscribe. Thank you, and until next time, I'm Mike on Tall Guy DIY.